Hello guys, good evening. Today is 24th April and this is a market structure video and also how I traded today. So as you can see on the daily time frame where the market is right now, it has given a breakout after months of going down, and after giving a breakout on a daily time frame, it was trading inside a range since last 3-4 days. Uh, Coming back to the hourly time frame, today's open was very good because of ICICI Bank result, and it opened gap up of around 300 points. And remember this place where it has opened gap up, it was an important resistance level from where the market had fallen on 18th April. Uh, if I'll go on 15 minutes time frame, you will be better able to see over here on even going on a smaller time frame on 5 minutes time frame. This was the place where the first weakness started creeping in inside the trend on daily time frame. If you'll see, the price was moving back to back up, and on 17th, after opening up with a huge gap up, the price started correcting, and then again it went up because it's still in an uptrend. So it's went up, and from 42,500 level exactly, this trend line wouldn't have been there at that point of time. It fell sharply, and you can also see the price action. The price was not able to sustain above 42,450. Above 450, not even a single candle of the continuation candle was made. So here you see green candle close, but there was extreme selling pressure, not extreme, but there was selling pressure again came down. This from here also, although the candle closed up over here, but very weak candles, and once the selling started, incessant selling was there. So this was an important resistance for us. This also was, over the period of time, it became an important resistance, this area. You can see 42,360, because whenever the price came over here, it went down again and again. Because the price was still an uptrend, people were hoping since many days the price will break out. And on 21st April I had a loss because of the same thinking. I was trading the expectation, not what I was exactly seeing on the chart. So here also there was this trend line over here which was coming, and I took what do I say, a long position over here, and my SL was it. But today something different happened because of the fabulous ICICI Bank result. Opened gap up and immediately came down to retest this trend line, and I wanted to take a trade over here, and eventually I took a trade, one trade over this previous day high, and it went till up, but again I should have booked over there, but I was expecting the price to go further up, but I was around 700 to 800 profit per lot, but I booked the profit only around 200 rupees per lot. When price started retracing, I booked the position on then throughout the day. If you can see the price action, it's a very beautiful price action. The price is trying to come down, but it's making higher highs over here after making lower lows. This trend line was broken and it started making higher highs, where although the price was not moving smoothly, and the culprit was none other than Nifty. Similarly was weaker than Bank Nifty, than what Bank Nifty is. If you see on the daily time frame here on this side, Nifty had given a better movement than Bank Nifty, but the correction was a bit too strong. This also opened gap up, a very good gap up near the resistance, but today after opening gap up, it came down, and it sustained above this thing, the trend line, and around 10 o'clock it was a very bearish scenario. But the Nifty did not, the price did not break, even after consolidating it did not break, which is bad for sellers, because in selling the price does not wait so much, it breaks immediately. Even though if it would have broken, there was not much room, or the price would have would have moved very swiftly towards this, very swiftly, but fortunately it did not. And around this point, around 12:25, it became very clear that price is going to go up, because after consolidation and giving a fake breakout at 11:50, forming this thing candle, a hammer candle, or you can say more like a doji candle, and again started moving up. So I trade primarily Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty was stronger. Even the price action was better, higher highs, and once it came down finally to touch at this point, and around 12:25, as suggested on Nifty, where this thing broke the trend line decisively around this point, 12:40, 12:45. I took the trade around this place, around 12:10, and this was because I was confident that since Bank Nifty is making higher highs and is looking more strong price action wise, the movement of the prices was more strong over here, immediately rejecting the lows and not at all surviving the previous lows at all, and here it didn't even touch the previous low. I entered over here, and I had a fairly good idea that price will definitely shoot up from this place, but what you can call it, inexperience of the market, I exited around this place, the top of 12:35 candle, because I was no, I exited. Sorry, I exited at top of 12:45 candle, around 42,500 previous resistance, and price went on to move one way on that side, and it might be possible that people would ask that why did you enter at this place, because there was no consolidation over here and the price broke an important resistance. See, consolidation happened on a larger time frame. On daily time frame, the price was consolidating since last few days. If you'll see, so many buyers, SL was hit over here yesterday also, day before yesterday also, the price was within this range, and the price sustained over here, and it was a solid confirmation. If you'll see, it's a solid confirmation, although on a normal day the market would have moved only this much, what, 200 to 300 points, but the range was fairly tight, and this was the consolidation, and once it broke this level, one could have taken entry, if not over here, then definitely around this place, 1 o'clock, when this candle was formed, the price showed strength, and one could have traded, because price was in range since so many days. There were so many positions being built, and this was a short covering move. It was a very nice move, and had full, almost very good high confidence, but because of a very big loss I had taken on 21st, my mentality was not up to the mark, and I just wanted to cover my losses up. And as soon as my losses was covered in this 12:45 candle, I exited, and although I could have kept very small quantity and waited the price till here, and it would have given me good returns. I mean, more than triple the returns of the very big loss, but it's fine. I'm fine with my performance today. I will again continue this recording after listening to what Mr. Ghanshyam has to say. His video might have come up till now, and then I'll upload mine with all the knowledge I have gathered from his and other YouTubers' video.